Multiple choice questions. Fieldwork in anthropology. 1. What is the hallmark of anthropological fieldwork? A. Laboratory experiments. B. Archival research. C. Participant observation. D. Literary analysis. Answer: C. Participant observation. 2. Who is considered the pioneer of modern anthropological fieldwork? A. Franz Boas. B. Bronislaw Malinowski. C. Alfred Kroeber. D. Margaret Mead. Answer: B. Bronislaw Malinowski. 3. What does participant observation involve? A. Observing from a distance. B. Immersing oneself in the daily life of a community. C. Interviewing participants only. D. Reading historical texts. Answer: B. Immersing oneself in the daily life of a community. 4. Which book is based on Malinowski's Trobriand Islands fieldwork? A. Coming of Age in Samoa. B. Argonauts of the Western Pacific. C. The Newer. D. Patterns of Culture. Answer: B. Argonauts of the Western Pacific. 5. What is the emic perspective in anthropology? A. Outsider's viewpoint. B. Analyzing statistical data. C. Insider's perspective. D. Comparative analysis. Answer: C. Insider's perspective. 6. Which of the following is not a characteristic of ethnographic fieldwork? A. Long-term immersion. B. Quantitative surveys only. C. Holistic approach. D. Recording cultural practices. Answer: B. Quantitative surveys only. 7. What is ethnocentrism? A. The belief in the superiority of one's own culture. B. Studying cultural similarities. C. Viewing cultures equally. D. Avoiding fieldwork. Answer: A. The belief in the superiority of one's own culture. 8. The practice of reflexivity in fieldwork involves A. Ignoring personal biases. B. Acknowledging and reflecting on the researcher's role and impact. C. Observing rituals from a distance. D. Adopting a single perspective. Answer: B. Acknowledging and reflecting on the researcher's role and impact. 9. Who conducted fieldwork among the Kwakiutl Indians? A. Franz Boas. B. Ruth Benedict. C. E. E. Evans Pritchard. D. Claude Levi-Strauss. Answer: A. Franz Boas. 10. Margaret Mead's fieldwork in Samoa focused on A. Economic systems. B. Adolescent behavior. C. Political structures. D. Kinship systems. Answer: B. Adolescent behavior. 11. Fieldwork ethics include all except A. Informed consent. B. Misrepresenting data. C. Avoiding harm to participants. D. Maintaining confidentiality. Answer: B. Misrepresenting data. 12. Which anthropologist studied the Newer society? A. E. E. Evans Pritchard. B. Bronislaw Malinowski. C. Franz Boas. D. Clifford Geertz. Answer: A. E. E. Evans Pritchard. 13. What is the etic perspective? A. Insider's viewpoint. B. Focus on universal concepts. C. Ignoring cultural practices. D. Comparative analysis from the outsider's viewpoint. Answer: D. Comparative analysis from the outsider's viewpoint. 14. Field notes are essential because A. They replace direct observation. B. They document the researcher's observations, reflections, and data. C. They are optional in modern anthropology. D. They are only useful for interviews. Answer: B. They document the researcher's observations, reflections, and data. 15. What is the primary goal of ethnographic fieldwork? A. To establish universal laws. B. To understand the lived experiences and cultural practices of a community. C. To critique historical records. D. To conduct controlled experiments. Answer: B. To understand the lived experiences and cultural practices of a community. 16. Which of the following tools is commonly used in fieldwork? A. DNA analysis kits. B. Structured and unstructured interviews. C. Mathematical models. D. Satellite imagery. Answer: B. Structured and unstructured interviews. 17. The field in anthropological fieldwork refers to A. A laboratory. B. The community or location being studied. C. A place to conduct experiments. D. A theoretical framework. Answer: B. The community or location being studied. 18. What is cultural relativism? A. Judging other cultures by one's own standards. B. Studying culture as an isolated phenomenon. C. Understanding cultures within their own context. D. Viewing some cultures as superior to others. Answer: C. Understanding cultures within their own context. 19. The genealogical method is used to A. Study kinship and social organization. B. Analyze genetic data. C. Observe community rituals. D. Examine environmental impacts. Answer: A. Study kinship and social organization. 20. Which of the following challenges is common in fieldwork? A. Limited access to funding. B. Maintaining objectivity in emotionally charged contexts. C. Gaining entry and trust within the community. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take your anthropology journey to the next level.